Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lori and today this is just going to be a little lookbook, and I'm also going to talk a little bit about my upcoming plans. So it seems like I never made a video for 2019 dolls or my art, and I think even in 2018 I just tacked my art onto the end of my doll video, but I'm going to do something separate there. Anyway, so I put together this little 2019 dolls, and they're all in the beginning. And I'm sure I missed someone because I kept it all in one file, but it just, it happens. And then somewhere toward the middle-ish end, I tacked on some of the 2020 dolls because not everybody gets a video. So, and I had mentioned that I was going to put the Elena Gilbert doll in a video, and so she's in this video. And as far as like doing a lookbook for my art, I'll just do that too in a separate video, and it's going to be all the painting because for some reason I did a whole lot of painting in 2019. I don't know, I was like in this really experimental phase trying different things. I still kind of am though, like I just keep on trying different things and trying to figure out what do I like to paint with best, and I think it's just everything. But I haven't really painted a lot this year, so I don't know if I'll tack on some of the stuff I have done this year. It's just so small. I don't even know if it would, unless I just started painting like crazy. I don't know if I could have a video for 2020, but maybe I'll just put them on the end. I'm not sure yet. But I will also talk about the different art supplies I used, where I got them, stuff like that. And I mentioned in a prior video that the Repaint Society is having a new show, and we will be announcing the theme tomorrow. Or if I get this video uploaded tomorrow, then we'll be announcing it today. So it'll be over there on our Facebook page, and I'll link that below if you're interested. But it's always fun for the artists to get together and collaborate on the shows. So please check that out if you would like to. And also, please like this video because it really helps the channel be seen. I don't think I'm being seen by very many people, so that would really help me with the algorithm. Thanks. So I also have a Patreon page, and I'm going to start teaching from the ground up on oak dolls. And I'm working on a curriculum for that so that I can kind of break it down and help, anyone who wants to learn how to create oak dolls. And I'm not talking about just painting. I'm talking about like every aspect of, from start to finish with an oak doll. And I'll probably break it down into parts. So, it's not one long, giant video, but like several videos. And I'll probably be using different dolls. Like I had mentioned that I would be using one of the Disney animator collector dolls so that I could really show some details in some brown eyes, because I have a Jasmine one. I might just do both of them because I also have, I think, a Tinkerbell, so that would be blue eyes. And I can really show some detail with a bigger doll, so I can do that, but also using like Monster High and Toner. And I'm really not sure about the Barbie because, to be honest, she's really small and it's hard to get those details filmed very clearly for that you'll be able to see what I'm doing. So I'll probably be sticking with the other dolls unless I can get stronger lenses for my glasses. So if you're interested in something that's going to dive a little bit deeper into how to repaint, where I'm going to do a talk through as I do it, please join my Patreon page, and I will link it below. And of course, if there's anything else you would like to see, please comment below. I've come to realize that I have done so much in the doll world, especially when we came together with the Repaint Society. All of a sudden I was like, okay, I want to make a mermaid, so I got to learn how to make a tail. Or I want to make armor, I have to learn how to make armor. So if you're interested, please in anything that I might have mentioned or anything else that I'm not thinking of, please comment below, and I will try to stick it into the curriculum. Oh yeah, and I have some really exciting news about the Toner world. I don't know if a lot of you really even collect or know or even paint Tonner dolls, but that's generally what I work on. That's my main doll. And I was really upset when Tonner had to close the Tonner doll company. It was sad, but he is back. He has joined forces with slideshow.com and will be producing some 16-inch dolls, both fashion and licensed character dolls. So I'll put a link below for that so you can find him. I am so excited. I'm over the moon about this. This is great news for me, but not that I won't be doing Barbies and Monster Highs or anything like that. But I'm super excited about the Tonner, that Robert Tonner's back. Last year, it seems like I worked on a larger variety of dolls than I have this year. It might be the pandemic, I don't know. But I've mostly been concentrating on my commissions and not really working on any dolls for sale. I'm kind of looking around. I know I have some, but I haven't started working on them because I just have a lot of commissions. And I'm not even taking any commissions at the moment, just so I can try to catch up. Anyway, thanks for watching all the way to the end if you made it. I really appreciate it. And I should have a little video of the lookbook for my art coming up in the next couple of days. I don't know. I haven't done it yet, but I will soon. And please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell to be notified if I have any new videos coming up. Thank you so much, everybody. I'll see you next time. Bye.